now that I got everything back into place, I'm going to check to make sure everything is lined perfect. Nothing rubbing up here. I'm going to check the tire pressure. I'm going to spin the tire just to make sure everything's perfect for the rider. I'm going to jack the bike up where the tire's not touching the lift. Spin the tire. Listen for any noises. The chain's not rubbing on the tire itself. The chain guard is not touching the tire, or the chain, the little mud flap here, the chain's not touching that. So everything looks right on this side. I'm gonna go on the other side to make sure everything's perfect over there. All right, here everything looks good. I want to make sure my rotor is in the middle of the brake caliper. I'm looking down, it's perfect. It has the same amount of space on both sides, so the brakes are fine. There's nothing rubbing, no weird noises. So far everything's perfect. Now I'm going to check the tire pressure, make sure I have at least 40 PSIs. This tire calls for 40 to 42 PSIs. I checked the tire pressure and it reads out 42 right on the money. I'm ready to get it off the lift. Next stop, road trip, and we're ready to go.